Put those hands there. That's a good. I got an assistant tonight. Now let's see. I'm confused. There we go. All right. So, hello everybody. Hello. They're polite. Okay. So, hey, Coco-chan, can you stand off? Yes, I couldn't get a babysitter. Okay. So I'm gonna do a couple of really good I'm gonna do a big trick for you. Hello. 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 This is hello. Hello. And what's your name?
Kokomi.
Kokomi. And how old are you, Kokomi?
3.
You're 3. And what are you going to do for us tonight?
Handcuff escape.
She's going to do handcuff escape. Good job. Can I just get this one? All right. So, she's going to do the handcuff escape from under this chair. Okay. All right. Are you ready, Kokomi? I need to get from here some the magic cloth. I keep all of my things in here. I gotta get this bit here. I need that for like that. And sorry, I need this for later too. I gotta put it down there. All right, I need that for later. And, here it is, the magic cloth. All right, ladies and gentlemen, these are real handcuffs. I would let someone handcuff it onto themselves and then prove that you can't get out without the key, but I lost the key. So I can't. You can have a look. I said, did I look like a real? Don't put them on. They look like a real handcuffs to you. All right, great. Kokomi, here are the handcuffs. Please hold up the handcuffs to show everyone they are real. Hold them up to show they are real. There they are. Now, I am going to handcuff her, and she is going to escape. All right, can I please have your right hand? All right, now we're going to put this on. Is that as tight as it can possibly go? Yes, all right. Now give me your left hand, then we put it on there. There we go. Now please hold your hands up to show you are completely handcuffed. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, she will escape from the handcuffs. Drum roll. All right. No, all right. Here we go. Ha ha! Sorry. All right. We try again. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, the world's youngest escaper is Kokomi! Completely escaped from the handcuffs. I can guarantee you these are 100% real handcuffs. Give her one more round of applause, Kokomi! There you go. Now, Coco-chan, here, put on your dressing gown. There you go. Okay, and we just hop you over here like this, and you can watch the rest of the show. Oh, there she is. Good job.